how to get a vendor quote prior to having secured investor funds. It's hard to budget their work. Yeah, so first thing I would do is I would get multiple vendors to bid at the same time, and I would get lawyers involved, or one lawyer involved. Go to LegalZoom.com if you want to. Get a lawyer involved to draft up all the paperwork, because I've seen so many nightmare house upgrades here in California where I live, where somebody will hire a contractor. It takes them twice as long to do, and it's a gazillion dollars over budget. You want to get multiple people to bid on you at the same time so you can get the best possible deal. And what Mark Zuckerberg did actually with Facebook, and this is a Facebook IPO prospectus. When I had my VC firm, I had investment in Facebook as well, along with every VC firm. But what happened was when Mark Zuckerberg wanted people to invest in his company, it was a bidding process. And he had a bunch of VC firms bid. And the one that won the B round, I think, was Excel. And there's a woman named Teresa. She's wonderful. And she teaches at Stanford. She's having her class judging business models many times. And what she did, and one of the reasons she won the bid with Facebook, was she went to that bidding meeting along with tons of other venture capitalists that were waiting outside the room to also meet with Zuck. And instead of just bringing out one contract, okay, for Zuckerberg for a certain dollar amount, it's called a term sheet, she brought 3 or 4 and kept them in her bag. And she kind of got a sense as to what other people were offering, and she pulled out the right contract to give to him based on the right pricing to be competitive with the other venture capital firms. So the bottom line there is, she over-prepared, and every battle is won before it's been fought, right? So anyway, hopefully that's interesting to you. But the bottom line is get multiple people to bid, okay? Or you speak with multiple contractors as well, and get a lawyer to write it up too, because it can be a disaster.